What is the difference between exempt and non-exempt employees? Have you ever wondered why some employees receive overtime pay while others do not? Understanding the difference between exempt and non-exempt employees is key to grasping payroll processing and compliance with labor laws. Let's break it down in simple terms. Exempt employees are typically paid a fixed salary and do not qualify for overtime pay, no matter how many hours they work. These individuals often hold higher-level positions such as executives, administrators, or professionals. Their roles usually involve significant decision-making and independent judgment. On the other hand, non-exempt employees are usually paid on an hourly basis. They are entitled to overtime pay, which is calculated at 1.5 times their regular hourly wage for any hours worked beyond 40 in a week. Non-exempt employees often perform operational or service-oriented tasks and follow established guidelines with limited decision-making authority. When it comes to job duties, exempt employees are expected to take on high-level responsibilities that may include supervising others or making strategic decisions. Non-exempt employees, however, generally focus on tasks that are more routine and follow set procedures. From a legal standpoint, exempt employees are not covered by the Fair Labor Standards Act's overtime provisions, meaning they do not receive extra pay for working longer hours. Non-exempt employees, in contrast, are protected by this act and must receive overtime compensation for hours worked over the standard 40-hour workweek. For businesses, correctly classifying employees as exempt or non-exempt is essential for accurate payroll processing and compliance with labor laws. Misclassifying employees can lead to serious legal issues and financial penalties. Therefore, it is important for employers to carefully assess job duties and compensation structures to determine the right classification for each employee. This classification not only affects payroll processing, but also impacts tax obligations. How employee compensation is reported and taxed varies based on whether they are classified as exempt or non-exempt. In summary, understanding the difference between exempt and non-exempt employees is vital for effective payroll management and compliance with labor laws. By knowing these distinctions, employers can ensure they are following best practices in bookkeeping and payroll processing.